Hi everyone, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to install a global ROM to this Japanese Sony XPERIA XZ2 Premium device. Just a heads up, NFC isn't going to work after changing it to global ROM. So if you need NFC, this ROM is not for you. First, there are benefits in changing to global ROM. You'll have 4G plus signal, no more annoying Japanese apps, camera sound can be turned off. This is recommended because Japanese phone's bootloader cannot be unlocked. It means we cannot install any custom ROM. A good thing there's a way to install a global ROM. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Turn on USB Debugging, go to Settings, About Phone, Build Number, press it a few times, go back to System, Advanced, Developer Options, turn on USB Debugging. Alright, time to download softwares from the PC. First to download is the Flash tool. This one, I'll give you the link in the description below. Now, after download, open Flash tool and download the drivers to your Windows PC, the first and second. Alright, I will cancel this since I've already downloaded it or installed it to my PC. Just in case you encountered errors, you can enforce the drivers. I will also give you the link for the instructions. Alright, now download the latest version of XPERIA firm. Okay, open a browser and type XPERIA firm. Alright, we're going to download it from XDA developers website. Make sure to download the latest because this is the only one that is going to work. Okay, after download, this needs to be extracted. Alright, this needs to be extracted. Alright, just copy this one if you have a 64-bit PC. Just copy and paste it to the folder from which you can flash. Alright, I have it here. Alright, let's open this. Look for your phone model. Mine is XZ2 Premium. This is the stock version and this is the global version. For the single phone with a single card or a single SIM card, this is for the phone with a dual SIM card. Mine has only one, so I will get this H8116. But you also need to download the stock firmware just in case you want to go back to the original firmware. Alright, to download this, just highlight the model number and then choose the UK, customize UK, and then go here on the top right. So click the available firmware below the picture and then download. Alright, it says here that I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to do it again. It would take a while to download, so be patient. Take note, flashing would erase all your data in the internal storage, so save all your important data to your SD card or your PC. Now you need to create a separate folder for flashing, like this one, because we need to keep the stock and then the global firmware, just in case there's something happen. We have the backup. Now go to news flashers and copy all the files, paste it to the flashing folder, and also copy the global ROM. Copy everything, paste it to the flashing folder. Alright, the phone needs to be turned off. And then we'll connect it to the USB cable. Okay. Hold the volume down while connecting the USB cable. And wait until the LED light turns green. Alright, so it means the phone can already communicate to the PC. Alright, from here we right click the news flasher and then run as admin. Okay, we are ready to flash the global firmware. So press N, another N, and then last one is yes. Alright, it will take a while to flash the global ROM, so please be patient. If you come across this question, just press no and then hit enter. Okay, flashing is done, so just hit any key from your keyboard to close the news flasher. We can now disconnect the cable. Alright, let's try to turn it on. Wait until the phone vibrates. Okay, it seems like it was successfully flashed. Let's see if it can get a network signal. It's going to take a while also to boot the phone the first time you open the phone from flashing. good news because it's getting a network signal, as you can see on top. Let's set this up. Okay, so let's try to go to the home screen. Alright, the phone is just restarting. Alright. Here you go. Okay, that's the home screen. So as you can see here, no more Japanese apps. I will show you the global version. Okay, about phone, there, H116. So that's the global version, the one we downloaded earlier. I'll show you, it's the same phone. That I have here. It's the came from Japan, AU provider in Japan. Alright, wow, and it's also getting a 4G plus signal, so that's a good one. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I will make a separate video for the review of this global ROM. Okay, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button for this video. If you have any question, please drop down your comment below in the comment section. Thanks so much. I'll see you again. Bye.